Today I would like to talk about some preparations for our factory before production goes online. First, we confirm some information problems in advance according to the project of the day, including engineering procedures. Then there are some customer notes, special requirements, and whether there are fixtures for the project. Then, according to the words of the document, the steel mesh is open before production. We will perform some processing on substances like soda paste. The storage environment of it is 0 to 10 degrees. We will warm it up in advance before production and then stir. For another one, if it includes some PCBs or moisture-sensitive components, we will bake them in advance. After receiving materials such as PCBs, fixtures, and steel meshes, we will conduct first piece sampling, including optimizing the procedures and confirming customer issues and material problems.
For more information, please follow Fast Turn Group PCBA to help you learn more. Thanks for your listening.